Yeah, this thing ball, boy. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it with another light video, man. So in today's video, man, gonna be getting some new tires for the car. I wouldn't say new, they definitely used, but I don't like buying new tires, man. Like, I don't know, one, I'm cheap, all right, so that's already that, man. I'm not spending $2 something on some Pirelli P0 all season tires. That's not me. So I already caught up to the shop, man. Them boys are like, yeah, look, we got two 315 3520s. They say it's about 7 out of 12. I don't know why they just don't base it out of 10. 12 is kind of weird, but yeah, 7 out of 12, I guess. Tire tread, tire condition, which is cool for me, man. Like, this is my first time ever doing a burnout in my car, you heard me? So I'm not tripping, man. So yeah, he says it should be about 60 a tire, like cost of the tire and installation and all that. So hey, 120 for 315s, I'm in there. So look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Boy at Popeyes, man, finna get some food. 1 second, please. So yeah, holla at y'all. Oh yeah, on the way to the tire shop right now as we speak, CEEFAM. Yeah, like I said, yo, we definitely getting some used tires, man. I'm not in the market right now for some brand new tires, especially for this car. Nah, I can't even do it, man. I usually go all season anyway. It's low-key winter right now in Colorado, but man, the weather here is so bipolar, y'all. It make no damn sense, man. But yeah, I'm definitely curious to like see how much tire tread we even have left on these damn 305s. Should we sitting there, I'd say 13,700 miles on a red eye right now. Right, I mean, I never changed the tires. All I did, y'all, was just rotate them. All right, so I never changed the tires on this car before. All we did was just rotate them. So yeah, we'll see though, man. I don't know if I want to take those tires. Now, I'm not taking these tires off, putting them on the front. I'm gonna just take those tires off, let the shop have them, and then go from there, man. Put them damn 315s on there though. Yeah, like, I'm just curious to see like the stance, how much water is gonna look in the back. That's gonna be fire. I know that's gonna be fire, man. Low-key, y'all, I really just want to make the videos a little bit longer, man. I don't know, I'll be watching like CJ on 32s, HELLCAT sometimes, man. Josh Laurent, all them boys, man, they be having some long videos, and people like me, shit, I just stay there and I watch the videos, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, if y'all rock with me, y'all, you know what I'm saying, I usually get to the point in all my videos anyway, man. I don't like to stall, I don't clickbait, you heard me? I don't do none of that craziness, y'all. So yeah, man, definitely want to be more of like a vlog type, right? Definitely want to do that. So but yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get to the damn tire shop, man. I definitely want to see these tires, the condition of them, all that, you heard me? So yeah, stay tuned, baby. All right, CEEFAM, so we just now got to the tire shop, man. As y'all can see, the car, they do have cars already lined up low-key. So we got a little Tesla, I don't even know, dual motor thing, might be quick. We got what, Jay's new and used tires. Yeah, they still working on cars right now. So but it was like, yeah, they got 4 315s. I was like, nah, bro, I only want 2 on the back. Boy, they not about to charge me an arm and a leg. So shit, I don't know. As of right now, man, it looked like, I don't know, it doesn't look bad. All right, they still poke out in the back, you heard me? So I ain't even tripping on that. But yeah, I'm just trying to see. Like I said, the tires, y'all, they don't look bad, you know, they really don't look bad. But yeah, I just need something better. I need some water, man. So yeah, he said they were Michelin 315 3520s, you heard me? So yeah, what y'all think of the wheels, man? Y'all think we should keep these wheels? I like these wheels, man. Some people say they like them, some people say they don't like them. I just like how they like concave in like that. Like, you can eat a bowl of cereal right here, boy. So yeah, that's what I'm going for, bro. Like, but yeah, y'all, the car in great condition, y'all. Comment down below, man, what kind of mods y'all want to see. I was thinking about ordering me some side skirts or whatever, some black ones to go with the black diffuser right there, or black tail lights, the black wicker bill, right? That what else? I really want a steering wheel too, man. I want that steering wheel bad. And then a front what is it, not a front diffuser, but a front splitter, you know. So that would be fire. But yeah, man, like, I can't wait, boy, till we get them damn 315s on. I just want to see how it's gonna look. Yeah, I'm gonna let Buddy, I'm gonna see if they really bad or not, because they look, I don't know, they look okay, but nah, about that time, bro. About that time. About that damn time, boy. Yes, sir. So yeah, we just waiting, man. Once buddy bring out the tires, I'm gonna just see the damn condition that they in. Cause yeah, I'm not paying well, I don't know. We'll see. I was about to say I'm not paying 60 for no used tires, but shit, depending on the condition and all that, man, we gonna see. So yeah, like I said, man, Jay's new and used tires, man. They fix flats, they do all that over here, y'all. So yeah, this is where I came at for my Dodge Dart 2, man. So they are good, so we'll see. This thing just look good in the sun, boy. That cocaine thing, that bit look crazy. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, got that thing jacked up. Sheesh. I just wanted to like see the tire right quick, just to like show people how bad it was. My bad. All right, brother, you good, you good. You want to see the tire, man? Sheesh. Them boys work fast, boy. He wasn't even trying to let me see the tire, man. I'm trying to see the damn tire, bro. He ain't even trying to let me see my own tire, dog. Might not come back over here. That rubber, man. Fuck. Damn, yes sir, I need them. Jeez. Yeah, I can't wait to see. That bit look huge. Jeez. Yeah, man, let me see that thing, man. Hold up, man. Cause I was trying to get the ones like before and like after, cause these look a lot better, man. That's what I'm saying. That's them 315's. So you said do like a friendly run? Oh, okay, you talk. Oh, let's see. Yeah, y'all, them 315's, man. Them thing gonna look good on there, boy. Jeez. Go to the car wash, but I ain't tripping. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm just trying to see the difference between this side and that side. But once he lower it, then I'll be able to like show y'all the difference between. Trying to get right, CEEFAM. Trying to get right. So, 315 and 305. We'll see though, man. Thing look good. $305. 315.
Hey,
what's
Civics all day, man. They don't mess with Civics.
Hey, boss. Oh, let me see this one too. Let me see this one too. Ah, yeah, this thing ball, boy. God damn, shit ball. Man, buddy, not trying to let me see my tire, man. He's trying to get in and get out. Yo. What I was trying to do, man, I was trying to get a before and after, right? Before is in get y'all like what the old tires look like, right? Bald, whatever it is, right? Tread off and all that. That's what I was trying to do, but I don't know, man. Buddy was being selfish with the damn tire. Like, he trying to hurry up and do his job, which I get that. I'm all for that. But like content-wise, bro, I was just trying to get the before and the new tire, right? So yeah, he was trying to hurry up. I'm like, damn, bro, like, bro, being stingy with the content, man. Like, he don't understand, bro. But yeah, bro, like I said, I definitely try my best, y'all, to show y'all what it looked like before and then show y'all the new tire afterwards, man. So yeah, as y'all can see, bro, the car right now, boom, car right now look like this. So yeah, man, we finna get to it. Well, I'm finna wait till you finish. So yes, sir. Oh yeah, good trade on these. Y'all move quick, man, so y'all don't mess around over here at Jay's, man. He's like, hell no. Oh shit, yeah, man, I was trying to hurry up and catch him, boy. The boys quick over here, boy. Hey, they be in and out, man, which, hey, I definitely do respect that though, man. Like I said, content, I was just trying to show y'all, man, what it looked like, you know. So yeah, like I said, it's pretty quick. Yeah, man. So as of right now though, it just looked like a lot of wheel gap right now. But once the tires actually settle down and all that, right, then it should go back to normal. Cause even if y'all see like in the front, see that? Barely any wheel gap. That's how it is stock, you know. So looking at it how it is from the front to the back, then yeah, you just see a difference. But once the car settles down and all that, man, and he torque it down right, which that's what he's doing right now, then yeah, it should be good, man. Appreciate it, bro. Got this thing right here. Need that, the little start key, so nobody don't try to steal my damn wheels on some nut stuff, boy. Oh, that one right there. Yeah, them boys quick over here though, boy. All right, finna go in there and pay. Appreciate it, brother. I'm gonna go in there and pay right quick. All right, CEEFAM. So we just now got the 315's on. My boy drinking though the whole goddamn Mountain Dew. All right, we out, man. No spinning yet. No spinning. Yeah, y'all, these 315's feel good. That was just a little light, slight pull too, y'all. Dead ass, like light pull. And I wasn't even on the SRT mode, the custom track, none of that too, y'all. Y'all see that little green leaf in that corner right there? I'm getting what, 12 miles per gallon right now? That's cause I don't know, I've been driving like a madman, bro. I know some of y'all like 12. Shit, I wish I got 12. Nah, me, y'all, I don't know. I'm used to getting maybe like 13 point something or sometimes 14 miles per gallon for real. But yeah, man, I'm finna go to the car wash right quick because yeah, these shit look brown, boy. So I'ma just see what's up, man. Like I said, car wash time. It's a nice day out here, man. Nice like Colorado day, man. You know. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the tires and all that, man, after I get out the car wash. Hopefully it does something to them. Girl, slow down, girl. I bet I hit my stuff. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all, man. All right, CEEFAM, I'm gonna give y'all one little last pull right quick. I mean, SRT twice. Boom, we in that 797 thing. You know what time it is, man. So butter right here, turning right. Cool, and we out. No spinning, y'all. Yes, sir. That was a nice little pull right there, boy. Yeah, y'all, these 315's, I ain't gonna even cap to y'all, lie to y'all, nothing like that. Things feel good. Whoo-wee. I mean, no spin. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm telling y'all, bro. Hey, I 100% recommend 315's, bro. Especially if you got a REDEYE, whether it's a Charger or Challenger, you heard me? I definitely recommend them damn 315's, bro. The stock Pirelli 305, whatever, right? That come on y'all HELLCATs or whatever. Them things is not it at all, bro. Like, I don't know how y'all do it, but nah. All right, CEEFAM. So we just now got out the car wash, man. Like I said, this thing look good. But unfortunately for the tires, y'all, like, I don't know, they still got brown and stuff on the tires, so I'm gonna have to do my manual stuff, get the tire shine, get a bucket and some damn water and stuff, and really scrub these tires, man. But yeah, these tires, y'all, were used, but man, they still got tread on them though, bro. Like I said, 60 a piece for these. It's kind of hard for y'all to see. I was trying to get it on the video, but like I said, Buddy was really like trying to hustle, get stuff done, which, hey, I respect him for that, right? So yeah, man, like, let me know what y'all think. I don't know if y'all could really tell a big difference, but I could tell a difference almost immediate, y'all. Well, obviously I can, y'all. It's my car. Like, I know how the car looked since day one, whatever, right? But yeah, like I said, so in the front we got 305 3520s and we got 315 3520s, y'all. Like I said, just from that clip that I had showed y'all, whenever we did, I don't know, some little pulls or whatever, I mean, I wasn't spending on nothing, y'all. Right, so that should just tell y'all, man, if y'all got a HELLCAT, even if y'all got a REDEYE, man, and y'all want some like extra like hey, go 315's, man. Y'all won't be disappointed or anything like that, y'all. So but yeah, just wanted to show y'all the car, man, show y'all the whip. This thing still intact, still look nice. As far as the interior and all that, man, that was a crazy story, man. I'm gonna have to save that for like another video, but I may just have to go through somebody else because they was on BS, bro. Like, you know, so I may have to go through somebody else, but yeah, that should be done by at least next Friday, hopefully, right? So yeah, but yeah, CEEFAM, so look, man, that will conclude today's video, bro. That sun is crazy in my eye, but that's the good light. Y'all see the car and all that back there for sure. But yeah, look, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. It's your boy C Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all, baby.